Bitcoin outlook and how do we trade this? So recently, what happened was US and Iran, my developing news that they have an agreed or they have reached a peace agreement. Okay, so that's the reason why we have this bullish engulfing candle. And what we like about this is that it recently broke this reversal pattern, no, this double bottom formation, and this is at a 4 hour time frame, and as you can see here, bullish divergence din. Okay, so pakita lang natin, no, this is how we make sense out of it. Okay, so as you can see, itong RSI natin is at the oversold levels, going up, no, going up, and the price is actually still going down, but the RSI is actually going up now. So what does it mean? Sellers are weakening and buyers are actually taking over, and the confirmation for this is this bullish engulfing candle, and this is in a 4 hour time frame. So what we need to do, what we want to see here is that we need further confirmation. Okay, if it's gonna go up and maiwan tayo, it's okay. But if it's going to have some type of a retest, then that's the time that we can enter this market or this um, Bitcoin. Okay, so ang entry natin dyan is that if it's going to have a retest here, and we will have our stop below 63,000. Okay, so we entered at 64,700 entry on retest. Okay, so buy kasi the developing news is actually good for Bitcoin. Okay, and we need to buy at 64,700. Okay, and then SL is around 62,500. If it doesn't hold, then we might see some triple bottom or a continuation down. Okay, and targeting this 72,000. Okay, here are the targets, no, targets 70,000, 72, 800, and also 77, 300. Okay, so there you go. That's how we make sense out of it. Very quick lang, and yun nga, we are on a buy bias with Bitcoin since yun nga, nagkaroon niya ng malaking pagbagsak ito. And with the developing news with Iran, inflation might go down, okay, because oil is actually going down as well. Let's see. Okay, so there's an outflow from the DXY, from the dollar, right? As you can see there, even USD CAD, and also oil USD is around 79 from the all-time high, 120. Okay, from the recent high pala, 120, and all of the oil commodities are going down. So what does it mean? Inflation might go down, and with that, interest rate might have a cut. Okay, pwede nang magbawas ng interest rate si dollar. And yun naman talaga ang gusto ni Donald Trump kasi expansion yan pagka mas mababa yung interest rate. And that's it for our Bitcoin outlook. That's what we are looking at. If it's going to continue, okay, ito pahabol lang. No? Kasi sa sa lower time frame, medyo sagad na eh, no? So, we can still Yeah. If the bullish case is sustained, no, hindi na siya nag-retest, then the best case scenario for us is that if we have at least an entry here and 65,300, because that's the moving average 50. Okay, once it has a bounce, well, with the trending market, EMA 50 is still one of the most effective, no, one of the most effective for us na uh, entry or para makapasok sa mga trades natin with the trending market. Okay, that's it for our Bitcoin outlook. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more about forex trading, crypto, you can follow, and also check nyo yung link dyan sa bio natin to join our Telegram community. There we provide trade signals and trading ideas. See you there.